Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. So this is about me. I am a computer science gate faculty having more than 5 plus of teaching experience, mentored more than 50,000 students, taught in different coaching institute all over India. Okay, it's like the Gate Academy, even qualified multiple times Gate. And even I have given the coaching in many government colleges as well as in many private colleges. Like in SRM Chennai, I have given coaching. CAT Bhubaneswar, I have given. BC Bhagalpur, Jorhat College of Engineering, Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, Ramgarh Engineering College. Okay, these are the colleges where I have went and I have given the coaching. Fine. Okay, now I am going to start. So we are going to learn the C programming and the data structure in this. And this course is going to be useful for placement also. If you are going to sit on campus placement like in service based company as well as product based company, so I have made the course in such a way that it will be useful in both the area, service and the product based company. So service based company also is there and product based company for. So I'm going to cover all the points. For gate also I'm going to cover all the points. For placement also I'm going to cover all the points, and for other competitive exam like for PSU exams, because in PSU's exam some questions like for 1 marks they will ask that who has invented C programming language. So these are the questions also they are asking. Like when you give for IBP uh, IT officer, there is a exam in bank. So there also they will ask some MCQ like this kind of questions. So which I am also even going to cover. So for PSUs like ISRO, BARC, then CIL, then you are even going to get for ISI. So everything I'm going to get cover in this one means in this one playlist you are going to get everything. Okay, so just you stay with me and have patience. Step by step we will cover. And one thing I can give a guarantee that many of you have might have learned the concept wrong. ठीक है, ये गारंटी है क्योंकि बहुत सारी जगह ना गलत चीजें पढ़ाई जाती है सी डेटा स्ट्रक्चर की, एम्बिग्यूटी बहुत है, एम्बिग्यूटी बहुत है. So अगर आपको पढ़ना है, if you want to learn, if you want to see the standard book of gate, you can use this one, that is the NCC. Okay, so if you want to learn the C programming in a good way and for the gate exam you can use this C programming language, that is NCC. It is written by Dennis Ritchie, the inventor is written that book. So if you are having any ambiguity that sir, which I should follow, then you should follow this book. If this book is saying that this is correct, then you follow this, because many things which I will prove now also in the class, that in some places they are saying this, some faculty have said this, but book is not saying this. So that's why we are going to learn everything. Very good. Means if you will ask me that in this universe which is the best book for C programming language, I can give a guarantee that the NCC that is written by Dennis Ritchie is the best book. The only thing that it is really difficult for a college student or for those who are not good in like in English and also in not good in C, you require a little bit basic knowledge of C programming language to study from this book, standard book. Standard book is not easy to understand, so it is little bit difficult. So I will teach you from that book only, and you are going to get everything. Okay, so many things it will get clear, and you can even comment, sir, कि मैं पहले पढ़ा था तो ये था, but now it is like this. Okay, so we are going to see this. So if you are wants to learn, if you want any notes standard book, you use this book, the NCC. I can give a guarantee that is a best book in this universe for C, best book in this universe. Okay, it's good for. Okay, so we will start from this only. So I have told you that what it is going to be useful in these all exams, which book I am going to refer, and even I am going to refer some other book also like let us see. But I will use little bit of let us see, because in some places if there is something better explained in let us see, then I will use that also. but this is one good book. Okay.